Welcome back to SEO Science. Today we've got an exciting case study that will inspire not just online marketplaces, but anyone looking to leverage SEO for incredible growth. We're diving deep into the success story of Etsy, the e-commerce giant that made well over $1 billion using SEO. But before we dive in, let's see what Ahrefs can tell us about Etsy. As you can see from these statistics taken from the last 6 months, domain rating, meaning the strength of Etsy's backlink profile compared to other websites in the Ahrefs database, on a 100-point logarithmic scale, Etsy has 94. UR rating, which shows the strength of Etsy's target page's backlink profile, on a 100-point logarithmic scale, is 19. Backlinks, meaning the total number of links from other websites pointing towards Etsy, is 5.2 million. Ref domains, meaning the total number of unique domains linking to Etsy, is 75.5 thousand. Keywords, meaning the total number of keywords that Etsy ranks for in the top 100 organic search results, is 4 million. Traffic, meaning the estimated number of monthly visits Etsy gets from organic traffic, is 20.1 million. And here you can see Etsy's top pages, how much traffic each page gets, and volume. Etsy origins. Our story begins way back in 2005, when Etsy was founded by Robert Callan, Chris Maguire, and Haim Shopik. Initially, Etsy was just a small, crafty marketplace. However, they realized the potential of SEO early on. The SEO journey begins. In the early years, Etsy's team realized the power of SEO and began optimizing their platform. They started by conducting in-depth keyword research to understand what their target audience was searching for online. User-centric SEO. What made Etsy stand out was their user-centric approach to SEO. They didn't just stuff keywords into their listings. Instead, they focused on creating high-quality, unique product listings with informative descriptions and relevant tags. And they encouraged their sellers to do the same. Etsy's unique selling proposition. Etsy had a unique selling proposition, handmade and vintage goods. They capitalized on this niche, offering products that were hard to find elsewhere. This not only attracted a loyal customer base, but also helped Etsy rank higher in search engine results. Content is king. Etsy recognized the power of content. They started a blog sharing stories of their sellers and the creative process behind their products. This not only added a personal touch to their brand, but also generated valuable content for SEO. Scaling up. As Etsy continued to grow, they invested in technical SEO. They optimized their site structure, improved load times, and ensured mobile friendliness. This helped them rank higher and improved the user experience. Expanding horizons. Etsy didn't stop at Google. They diversified their SEO efforts by optimizing for other search engines like Bing and Yahoo. They also explored international markets, tailoring their SEO strategies to different regions. The mobile revolution. Etsy didn't ignore the mobile revolution. They launched a user-friendly mobile app, ensuring that mobile users had a seamless shopping experience. This mobile focus was essential for SEO as Google began prioritizing mobile-friendly sites. The social connection. Etsy leveraged social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook to showcase their products. This not only brought traffic, but also generated social signals, which positively impact their SEO rankings. Evolve with algorithms. Etsy was quick to adapt to search engine algorithm changes. They regularly updated their SEO strategies to align with Google's ever-evolving algorithms. The $1 billion milestone, and now the moment we've all been waiting for. In 2020, Etsy achieved a remarkable milestone by crossing the $1 billion annual revenue mark, largely due to their SEO efforts. Key takeaways. So what can we learn from Etsy's SEO success story? User-centric approach. Focus on providing value to your users with high quality content and products. Niche specialization. Find your unique selling proposition and capitalize on it. Content is vital. Invest in content marketing to engage users and improve SEO. Technical SEO matters. Optimize your website structure, speed, and mobile friendliness. Adapt and evolve. Stay updated with search engine algorithms and adapt your SEO strategy accordingly. And there you have it, the Etsy SEO success story that took them from a small marketplace to a billion-dollar e-commerce giant. If you found this case study inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more SEO videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.